Assalamu alaikum. Today I am going to discuss about Edexcel O-level physics, Edexcel IGCSE O-level physics, unit 1, chapter 1, movement and position. In the chapter we need some formula. Average speed equal to distance moved divided by time taken. So average speed, remember, average speed equal to total distance divided by total time. Total distance divided by total time. Acceleration equal to change in velocity divided by time taken. So we can write acceleration is denoted by small a, final velocity v, initial velocity u divided by time taken. So remember, u is the initial velocity, v is the final velocity, t is the time. Unit, remember, unit of velocity is meter per second. There is another second, that's why unit is meter per second square. Meter per second square. And final speed square equal to initial speed square plus 2 into acceleration into distance moved. So v square equal to u square plus 2as. So v is the final velocity, u is the initial velocity, a is the acceleration, s is the distance. So formula is v square equal to u square plus 2as. This formula is used to find out the final velocity if acceleration and distance and initial speed are given. Force F equal to ma, weight W equal to mass into gravitational field strength. Small g is the gravitational field strength. Gravitational field strength for Earth is 10 Newton per kg, and for Moon it is 1/6 of 10. That means 1.67 Newton per kg. So this is the required formula for the chapter. Now we start past question paper 2023, question number 1. Look at this question. Look at this question. A squash ball is made of rubber and used to play a game called squash. A student observes that the squash ball bounces higher after its temperature increases. So the student designs an investigation to see how the temperature of the ball affects the maximum height after it bounces. So the independent and dependent variable in the student investigation. What is independent variable? The variable which we desire to change is called independent variable. Dependent variable, the quantity which we decide to measure is a dependent variable. The student wants to investigate how the temperature of the ball affect the maximum height after it bounces. So temperature affects. So temperature of the ball is the independent variable here. So temperature of the ball, temperature of the ball is independent variable, and dependent variable is height after bounce, vertical distance. So height of bounce. Now question number B. The diagram shows the ball at its maximum height after it bounces. Determine the distance of the ball moves from the floor to its maximum height. Assume the ball does not change shape when it bounces. 1 centimeter on the diagram equal to 4 centimeter in the laboratory. So the diagram shows the ball at its maximum height after it bounces. Determine the distance the ball moves from the floor to its maximum height. So remember, 1 centimeter on the diagram, 1 centimeter on the diagram equal to 4 centimeter in the laboratory. So by using meter rule, the height is so distance is 6.2 centimeter in diagram. So actual we have to find out the height. So height will be, because 1 centimeter on the diagram equal to 4 centimeter in the laboratory. 4 centimeter in the laboratory. So actual distance is 4 into 6.2, so 24.8 centimeter. So this is the answer, 24.8 centimeter. Design a method that a student could use to investigate how the temperature of the ball affect the maximum height after it bounces. Your answer should include details of the apparatus needed. So the apparatus needed, measurement required, control variable. You may draw a diagram to support your answer. You may draw a diagram. So required apparatus, first required apparatus is, so apparatus measuring tape or ruler, measuring tape or ruler, measuring tape or ruler, then we need to measure the temperature. So we can use a water bath to increase the temperature, to increase the temperature of the ball. And we need thermometer also. We need thermometer to measure the temperature of the ball. To increase the thermometer of the ball, we need water bath. And to measure the temperature, we need thermometer. To measure the temperature, we need thermometer. We need thermometer. Okay. Then measurement. Range of the temperature, height of the ball bounces. So required measurement. We need to measure. So using thermometer the temperature of the ball are tested. Number 2, height of the ball. Height of the balls first bounce. Because temperature of the ball decreases with time, that's why we must consider the first bounce. Number 3, height measured at height measured at eye level, avoiding parallax error. And here control variable is height of the ball, the height of the ball from the ground surface. That means control variable. So control variable is number 1, surface of the ball. The ball bounces. Height of the ball is dropped from. This is a control variable. These variable must be fixed for fair test.